Yeah. I feel like that was a bad game.
That's why I be taking the photos on purpose, because I knew they about to attack me.
Right.
Another epic victory! Big win!
Take it.
My bad, you're too loud.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I'd hold on to your wallet if I were you. 30 seconds before you attack. Get ready. Strange, wow.
We're in this together, Tandy Bowen. Get the stars out of your eyes and let us fight.
Whoa, all business.
The fate of many worlds is at stake. It is a mighty quest.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I am Bloo! I am Bloo!
I didn't claw my way to the top of New York's underworld to give up now. Someone's being sneaky, and it's not me this time. Fortune for me. Better already.
I don't know. That motherfucker got the help.
Mine for the taking. The cat came back.
Black cat keep fucking me up. I'm gonna beat her. I'm gonna beat her fucking ass.
Do your worst.
Purple's not so funny now, is it?
I'm gonna beat her. Now I'm about to switch. I ain't supposed to.
Double KO.
I'm about to switch.
Final
Piss me
shot.
off.
When scientific resolutions prove insufficient, giant fists do come in handy.
Damn, Governor! Accuracy percentage! My healing factor can't keep up. How about an assist?
We are undefeatable! Let's see.
I unleash the Vishanti's power!
Oh! I killed myself.
You gotta fix your Discord.
There's still a
You
chance
still
to
can't
stop
get scared,
them.
right?
I don't think.
Right.
By the eye of Agamotto!
I'm still trying to fix the camera.
Better stop that vehicle.
My life.
Checkpoint. Now might be the time
I was trying to have fun.
Sorry about that.
I was trying to have fun, but they doing too much. I was just trying to learn little characters. I was just trying to learn little characters, but they doing too much. Yeah.
Beware, behind you.
You made me believe in me.
Get your dumb ass back at spawn. Go back at spawn.
I'm hurting pretty bad over here.
Yeah, go exactly. Go your dumb ass back at spawn.
Thanks. No holding.
I'm more resilient than you think.
He fucked them up.
Straight portal in.
Yep.
I don't know, he could have waited until the hill was
Stupid game.
Oh no, I don't want no parts. Leave me alone. Oh yeah, I want all the smoke with you, bitch. Come here. You the reason why I switched, bitch.
Good shit. Thank you, sir.
Stop playing. Stop fucking playing.
Oh shit! I thought I was good. I ain't gonna hold you. I was not.
Bad thing is he was winning the whole time. I just don't feel like he's winning.
Ooh, I hate this game. Ooh, I hate it. Ooh, I hate this game. I hate this game. I hate this game. Oh, everything I hate this game.